The Dow Jones just hit 50,000 for the first time in history, but while Wall Street is popping champagne, the 1% are looking at a much more dangerous signal. In the last 48 hours, we saw a brutal tech sell-off, and Bitcoin flash crashed to $60,000 before a massive bounce back to $70,000. If you're trading the US market right now, you aren't just fighting inflation, you're fighting a massive shift in institutional liquidity. Here is the WealthWarden breakdown. Why did the Dow hit 50K while the Nasdaq struggled? It's the AI spend war. Microsoft, Google, and Meta just announced they are spending nearly $650 billion on AI infrastructure this year alone. The opportunity? Don't chase the giants. Look at the pick and shovel plays. Companies like NVIDIA, NVDA, and TSMC are rebounding because they own the hardware these giants are fighting over. But watch out. The US labor market is showing cracks. Jobless claims are rising, and the Federal Reserve is staying cautiously restrictive at 3.5%. The easy money era, it's over. Now, let's talk about Bitcoin. We just saw a 25% drop, followed by a vertical recovery. This is what we call shaking out the weak hands. Institutional firms like MicroStrategy aren't selling the dip. They are leading the rebound. If you are watching the US market from the outside, remember, Bitcoin is now firmly tied to US tech sentiment. If the Nasdaq slides, crypto slides. But when the dip buyers step in at that 60K support zone, that is your signal that the bull market is alive. For memo number 002, the strategy is simple. Diversified resilience. 1. Watch the Fed. If they don't cut rates in June, the soft landing narrative fails. 2. AI infrastructure. Keep your eyes on the power and chip companies, not just the software names. And 3. Crypto support. 60K is the new floor. As long as we stay above that, the path to 100,000 remains open. The US market is moving faster than ever. If you want to stay ahead of the institutions and build a fortress portfolio, you need the memos, subscribe to WealthWarden, and hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next update.